This 5-minute solution will show you how to cancel subscription for LinkedIn Premium. Follow this step-by-step guide to cancel your LinkedIn Premium. Log into your LinkedIn account and click on Me and click on Premium Features. And here you will get your subscription. Now click on Manage Subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription. And here all you have to need, just click on Continue to cancel. Click on Continue to cancel. And select a reason why you are canceling your LinkedIn Premium and click on Confirm Cancellation. And that's how we can cancel or unsubscribe LinkedIn Premium. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.